Top 5 advanced machines used in construction. That would make great content focused on technology. 1. Autonomous construction equipment. These machines are equipped with advanced sensors and artificial intelligence, allowing them to operate without direct human control. Examples include self-driving construction vehicles and robotic cranes. 2. 3D printing in construction. Large-scale 3D printers are being used to construct buildings and infrastructure using various materials, such as concrete. This technology promises faster and more cost-effective construction methods. 3. Drones for surveying and monitoring. Drones equipped with high-resolution cameras and LiDAR technology are revolutionizing construction site surveying and progress monitoring. They can capture accurate data and provide real-time insights to project managers. 4. Augmented reality, AR, in construction. AR is being used to visualize construction projects in real-world environments. This technology overlays digital models onto the physical site, helping architects, engineers, and workers visualize the end product and identify potential issues. 5. Exoskeletons for construction workers. Exoskeletons provide physical support to construction workers, reducing fatigue and the risk of injuries. They are particularly useful when lifting heavy objects or performing repetitive tasks.